Welcome to Mighty Hook. In the organic coating industry that we serve, proper hanger tooling design is essential to maximizing productivity and responding to changes in demand. Mighty Hook adds value because we help custom coaters and integrated manufacturers reach their potential. We supply paint racks, both light gauge and heavy-duty hooks, and a broad spectrum of engineered solutions. With our tooling and hanging systems, coaters maximize throughput and increase quality, safety, and ergonomics of any overhead conveyor manufacturing process, while making it our responsibility to assist in all aspects of process improvement.
My experience working at Mighty Hook has been great so far. In the 2 years I've been here, I've been able to use my previous experience to help improve processes and make positive benefits to help our customers.
Overall, the experience has been fairly positive and a very conducive environment for growth and learning new things.
My experience working here at Mighty Hook has been phenomenal. I had the opportunity to cross-train over on the CNC plasma cutter, further strengthening my skills and gaining more experience.
Mighty Hook's just been an excellent place for me. It was like all the skill sets that I had, it seemed like they just rolled right into Mighty Hook, and it was just a perfect fit for me. It's like family. I really love and admire everyone that I work with. It's been a great experience for me.
We are confident that our capabilities and manufacturing processes are unrivaled amongst the competition. Our 5 state-of-the-art CNC wire formers and our 10 4-slide wire formers have the capacity to produce over 100,000 hooks a shift. Our hydraulic bending equipment can form up to 1-inch round stock for maximum load capacity. Our CNC plasma cutting department is capable of cutting up to 1/2-inch thick steel plate. We have 5 resistance welding stations and 6 MIG-TIG welding stations to handle any volume of welding requirements. But what makes us really unique is our dedicated, experienced, and highly trained personnel. We work tirelessly to streamline our processes in order to deliver products and solutions to our customers on time at competitive prices. Our production department employs a lean manufacturing model, and we track performance daily on 4 of the most important criteria: productivity, quality, delivery, and safety.
Here at Mighty Hook, we always look for the best possible and innovative ways in order to get the job done, whether it's going to engineers or speaking with management and actually implementing those ideas to make everything work faster, to get the customers a faster turnaround on the product.
Well, we like to be innovative here. I know for me and a lot of the engineers, we like working on new things and coming up with new ideas. Doing the same old gets kind of boring. So it's really nice to, work on new products and come up with new ideas, and that's what we're really good at.
I think one incredibly important aspect to the culture at Mighty Hook is our involvement and building relationships with our customers.
At Mighty Hook, our processes are developed and deployed to maintain our relevancy for the long term. We believe that thinking differently about work is what makes Mighty Hook lean and efficient. And most importantly, complete customer satisfaction is our ultimate goal. Your success is our greatest reward.